What are stem cells?
Stem cells are unique cells found in the body that have the remarkable ability to develop into many different cell types. Unlike regular cells, they are unspecialized and can divide to produce new stem cells or become more specialized cells, such as muscle, blood, or nerve cells. This makes them essential for growth, repair, and maintenance throughout life.
Types of stem cells.
There are two main types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are found in early development and can become almost any cell type. Adult stem cells, found in tissues like bone marrow, have a more limited range but still help repair and replace damaged cells in the body.
Cellular differentiation explained.
Cellular differentiation is the process where stem cells change into specialized cells with distinct functions. Signals from the body, like chemicals and physical contact with other cells, guide stem cells to turn into specific types, such as skin or nerve cells. This process is crucial for forming organs and tissues during development and healing injuries.
Why differentiation matters.
Differentiation allows our bodies to create a variety of cells, each with unique roles. Without it, we wouldn't have the specialized cells needed for things like carrying oxygen, transmitting nerve signals, or fighting infections. The ability to generate specialized cells is what makes stem cells so valuable in research and potential medical treatments.
Future potential of stem cells.
Scientists are studying how to use stem cells to treat diseases, repair damaged tissues, and even regenerate organs. Stem cell therapy holds promise for conditions like paralysis, diabetes, and heart disease. While research continues, understanding how stem cells differentiate remains key to unlocking new medical breakthroughs.